Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing another video on this blue GR Corolla. We are also upgrading the backup light LED. All right, so we found the light bulbs on Amazon. I will put everything in the description down below, and we're going to replace them. It's actually a very simple mod to do, and it makes a big difference. I'll show you what it looks like at night. All right, so let me show you real quick how to replace it. It's very simple. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. First thing we're gonna do is two bolts right here. We're gonna take them out. Those are 10s. You gotta take this plastic trim out. Once you do, there's another screw right above the plug right here. So let me unplug. This is the plug for the light. There's a little 10mm right in this hole here. All right, I got it out. So now I should be able to maneuver this thing out. There we go. It's fairly easy. Okay, thing is, take out the light, unplug it. There you go. This is it. Let me grab the new one. All right guys, this is the new one. We just line it up and put it on. All right, now the light is on. Twist, plug, boom. That's it guys. Now let's put it into the car. So turn that up a little bit. All we have to do is put the cable into the hole here and push. Wait, hold on, let me fix this cable right there. There you go. And then put that into the hole, clip it in. There we go. Next guys, we got two screws right here. We have one in this hole right there. All right, just snugly guys, and the outside snug. Done. That's it guys. Let's go to the other side and do the same thing. Actually, before we go to the other side guys, let me show you what it looks like, the before and after, so you guys can see. Forget to plug it in. There we go, it's plugged in. I'm gonna start the car so I can show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is the new one. I hope you could see how bright this is. Sorry for the car, it's still warming up. So this is the new one. It's very, very bright if you compare it with this. This is bright, but not compared to that one. Alright, so this is the before, after. Big difference guys. You probably can't really see it through the naked eyes, but I'm telling you, it's very big difference. All right, let me see if I can show it to you, if you can see the difference. This is the new one, this is the old one. All right guys, you see that it works. Now we're gonna do this guy too. So same scenario, you got two screws right here guys. And you got one in this hole right there. Okay, now we unplug it. Boom. And then you pop this guy out guys. Okay, pull the cable. That's it. Okay, next thing is guys, take this cable out of there, unplug, twist the light, grab the new light, find the pattern. All right, twist, connect, boom, done. Now we put this back into the hatch. Oh, I forgot, let me put this here guys. Now guys, we put this two screws in here. then we got the one that goes over here. That one you got to make sure you get the right angle. All right, snuggly here, snuggly there, snuggly there. Plug the cable in. Boom, that's it guys, and then we put this trim back into place. It's very easy. That's it guys. All right guys, I want you to see how bright these lights are. Look how much they light up the ground. I'm gonna go as far back as I can. Guys, you can really see these are very, very bright. This is a really good mat for your car. You guys see? This is about, call it about 30 feet. No, 20 feet. You can really see how bright these guys are. Let me walk toward them so you can really see. Cannot mistaken that we're backing up. All right, let me show you from the other side. I wanted to show you guys how much they light up the road. Hey, look at that guys, so good. Take it off. That's without. Put it back on. There you go. See guys, it's like night and day in these. That's a really, really, really beautiful mod. Take it off one more time. Back. Perfect. That's it, she's all done. So this little mod is all done. So everything will be in the description down below. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Until the next time, peace.